accounting cycle or accounting process. Accounting is the very important in commerce. In this we have different stages. Now we discuss accounting cycle. In accounting cycle, in Indian point of view, first step is journal entry. Accounting cycle or accounting process. So in accounting cycle, in Indian point of view, the first step is journal entry. But if you want to write the journal entry, before that we have some information. Without information, it is not possible to record the transaction in journal. If you want to record the transaction in journal, we have to evidence. So how it is possible to get the evidence when transaction is occurred? At that moment, the cash inflows in the business and the goods sent out to the outside. Goods sent to the outside or customer. So in this case, before journal, before entry or transaction recorded in journal, we must have some evidence. That evidence is nothing but source document. That evidence is nothing but source document. The source document may be cash bill or invoice. So based on the cash bill or invoice, we recorded the transaction in journal. So that is why the before journal entry, we must have some evidence. That evidence is nothing but source document. That evidence is nothing but source document. So based on the source document, this is the first step, and based on source document, we recorded the entry in journal. So journal is nothing but original book or day book. Each and every transaction we recorded in chronological order. So that is called journal. So after journal, the next step is ledger. So what is the ledger? Ledger is nothing but group of accounts. So after ledger, we must prepare trial balance. We must have to prepare trial balance. So trial balance is the one of the format before preparation of financial statements. So in this trial balance, all debits and credits must be equal. If you have any problem, or if you have any doubt, or if you have any mistake in trial balance, just we check again the ledger accounts and journal entries. When all debits are equals to credits, at that time only we start the preparation of financial statements. So generally, what are the financial statements? The financial statements are three. Number one, trading account. Number two, profit and loss account. Number three, balance sheet. So what is the trading account? Generally in trading account, all direct expenses are recorded. So what are the direct expenses? Those expenses are related to production. Those transactions are recorded in trading account. It is related to production. Suppose take example purchases. Without purchases, it is not possible to produce the goods. So that is why those transactions are recorded in trading account. Next one, sales. Without sales, it is not possible to run the organization. So that is why sales are recorded in trading account, credit side. So that is the main source of the revenue for any business. So that is the those transactions are recorded in trading account, credit side. What are the expenses are related to production? Suppose take example power. Without power, it is not possible to produce the goods. So that is why that is also recorded in trading account, profit and loss account. And before that, why we prepare the trading account? At the end of the particular period, the company having how much gross profit or suffers gross loss. So that is why we prepare the trading account. All direct expenses or revenues are recorded in trading account. Next one, profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is nothing but all indirect expenses or revenues are recorded in profit and loss account. Suppose take example, rent, salaries. These are all not affected to the production department. So that is why those expenditures are recorded in profit and loss account, debit side. And next one, commission received. Commission received, that is not related to production, but that is revenue of the, that is the profit of the, that is the revenue of the company. So that is why that expenditure is recorded in profit and loss account, credit side. So all indirect expenses are, indirect revenues are recorded in profit and loss account. Why we prepare the profit and loss account? At the end of the particular period, the company having how much net profit or suffers net loss. So that is the way we prepare the profit and loss account. Next one, balance sheet. In generally in balance sheet recorded in liability side capital and different liabilities, and asset side we recorded in all assets. Why we prepare the balance sheet? At the particular period of time, the company having how much assets are suffers how much liabilities. So that is why we prepare the balance sheet at the particular period of time. So previously, generally we are preparing the balance sheet yearly. Now MNC, multinational companies enter into the market. They are doing their business in India. Now they are preparing quarterly. So that is why at the particular period of time, either 3 months or 6 months or 9 months or 12 months, whatever it may be. Based on that, we prepare the balance sheet. At the particular period of time, the company having how much assets are suffers how much losses. So that is the way we prepare the balance sheet. So these are all coming under accounting cycle. Suppose in this accounting cycle, maybe break in here, maybe have any break. It is not possible to continue the process. So that is why these are all transactions we called as a accounting cycle. Cycle means it is the connection between one activity and another activity. At that moment only the process will continue. Otherwise it is not possible to continue. So that is why we called as a accounting cycle or accounting process. Next one, we discuss about accounting equation. Accounting equation. Accounting equation is one of the concepts in accounting concepts. So generally equation means it is a two things. In accounting equation, what are the two things? Assets equals to liabilities. Again, we can write in another way. Assets equals to capital plus liabilities. Why we divided into capital plus liabilities? Capital is most of the cases it is constant, but liabilities maybe it varies time to time. Sometimes increases, sometimes decreases. So this is the most of the cases constant, but this is sometimes increases, sometimes decreases. There is no any constant. So that is why accounting equation we classified as assets equals to capital plus liabilities. So that is called accounting equation. Sometimes we can write another way also. Capital equals to assets minus liabilities. liabilities equals to assets minus capital. So this is called accounting equation. If you want to, sometimes in the examination point of view, they give capital and the liabilities. Capital and the liabilities. At that moment, how to calculate capital plus liabilities? It is equals to assets. Suppose sometimes they give capital and assets. Calculate liabilities. Assets minus capital, we get liabilities. Suppose sometimes liabilities and assets given. How to calculate capital? Assets minus liabilities, we get capital. So this is the accounting equation in accounting.